In today's video, we're improving the Ranger Raptor's exhaust. Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Gotta hit you with that quick sales pitch like always. If you get to the end of this video, you enjoyed it, you found it helpful, you like the Ranger Raptor, think about hitting that subscribe button. Totally free to subscribe. Just send you a quick notification whenever I'm posting some new content out there. But if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool. A like is always really appreciated as well. Now with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. The Ford Ranger Raptor is many things, but unfortunately good sounding just isn't one of them. I've done quite a bit of research over the past year on different exhaust setups, different off-the-shelf exhaust systems, and I think I've narrowed it down exactly what I want to do to my Ranger Raptor. This is going to be the first of a few different videos, just kind of stepping along the way here and navigating, trying to improve the exhaust note of the Ranger Raptor. This is a V6. In my opinion, a lot of V6s don't sound all too good. I had a Bronco as well, and that one didn't really sound all too good as well with the exhaust system, but I think I kind of know what I want to do here. In today's video, this is just going to be step one of improving the exhaust note, but it's also going to be a nice step in improving the whole aesthetics by getting rid of those exhaust tips on the back. Obviously, the main goal here with modifying the exhaust is to make the truck sound better, but like I just mentioned, we do want to improve the aesthetics of the truck as well. One thing I never really liked about the Ranger Raptor were the factory exhaust tips. In my opinion, they just look a little bit cheap. The best looking exhaust tips for the Ford Ranger Raptor were the Fabulous Fabrication ones out of Australia. Unfortunately, here in the US, we have to pay some crazy shipping amount from Australia. I totally get it, but $890 for some exhaust tips was just a little bit too rich for my blood. So I think what I have here in the box right behind me is gonna do the trick for pretty much half the price. So I'm gonna turn you guys around now. We can start unboxing this and checking out what we're gonna be installing on the Ranger Raptor today. So what we have right here, what we're gonna be installing today is the MBRP exhaust setup for the Ranger Raptor. This kit includes some exhaust tips that are pretty reminiscent of the Fabulous Fabrication exhaust tips. We'll get into that in a little bit and I'll show you exactly what they look like. But what sets this apart from that one is that this is a full axle back system where the Fabulous Fab ones are just the exhaust tips. So what we're gonna do now is unbox this full exhaust setup, lay it on the floor so you can get a good look at it, and let's check out those tips as well. One thing I do wanna touch on before we get into this is I'm always very transparent on my channel. Even with sponsored videos, I tell you guys the truth. I don't like to sugarcoat it. I don't like to feed you guys any sort of bullshit. I paid for this with my own money, so if there's anything I don't like, if quality isn't good, if this thing doesn't fit well, you guys are gonna 100% know the truth. So here is the axle back section all laid out. T304 stainless steel, 3-inch diameter piping. Inside here we have all the connections as well as an instruction manual and a little microfiber cloth. And then right here on the workbench we have the exhaust tips. Obviously I got them in black coated. You could also get them in polished stainless steel. They are a 3.5-inch outlet exhaust tip, and obviously as you can see there, it has the turn down style, so it is pretty reminiscent of the Fabulous Fabrications exhaust tips that they offer. Like I said, this is a full axle back kit. Came in right under $500 shipped for the entire thing. This isn't gonna make a world of difference with the sound of the Ranger Raptor, but it does eliminate those rear resonators. So do think you're gonna get a little bit more exhaust note, a little bit louder, but it should be pretty subtle. So if you're not looking for like an absolute screamer, this might be a good choice for you guys. But I'm gonna stop talking now. Let's get this shit thrown on the truck. So back here is the stock X pipe. This is where the two valves are right there. As you can see, we follow this back a little bit more. We have the two connection little clamps right up here. You'll want to go ahead and unbolt those with a 5/8 socket. I've already done that. That frees up the axle back section from the X pipe. And then right up there, as you can see, we have another exhaust hanger. So soak all of that in some PB Blaster. That way you can just zip these out. Back here, as you can see right through there, is where the exhaust hanger bracket is. Right here. And there's that little bolt that's right inside there. Get like an extension with a wobble extension. Get that on there. I'm gonna undo that, which will release the entire bracket itself. That way I can just drop all of this down and I don't have to fight getting the hanger out of that little mount. And just like that, you can massage the whole axle back section out. So it's really simple. It's just one connection up front at the X pipe,
undo the little mounting bracket at the rear, and then massaging it out is really simple. A little side-by-side action there. I have the axle back section fully assembled here just so you can see what it looks like. I am going to disconnect the tips as I try to maneuver this entire piece through the back just so I don't scratch anything up. All right, first side is done. Tighten down. I will undo the tip connecting point right there a little bit later once I get the other side in there. That way I can adjust them and make them all even. But for the time being, nice and solid. So let's go ahead and get the driver's side done now. All right, installation is all done. As you can see there, we got the tips slightly below the bend of the D-ring there. So I'll give you a good side angle of it there from the side. And as you can see over here, same thing with the exhaust tip pointing straight down. One thing that I would recommend is the secondary exhaust hanger that's like up here. I would recommend unbolting that, then securing it in there, and then bolting it back to the frame rather than getting this side hooked up to the X pipe and then feeding that in. It's just a hell of a tolerance issue right up here. So I would recommend just doing it that way. It made it a whole hell of a lot easier. But yeah, everything's installed now. So let's go ahead and get it started. So there it is, everyone. In my opinion, sounds a whole lot better. Not over the top, not too obnoxious, just a little bit more of a subtle rumble, a little bit throatier. I really like it. Let me know if you like this better than the stock exhaust, and if you don't like this one, let me know what other exhaust you think sounds better. But yeah, installation really wasn't all too hard. It took about an hour, hour and a half. not really taking it all too serious here. So if I could do it, you guys could definitely do it. If you're looking to install this on your Ranger Raptor and you have any questions, comment down in the comment section below. I'm here to help you all out. But yeah, let me know what y'all think.
All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. Axle back section of the Ranger Raptor all completed now. I do think it sounds a little bit better than stock, but I do think we can improve it even further. In an upcoming video, I'm gonna try my hand at fabricating an equal length exhaust loop on the Ranger Raptor. Pretty common in the F-150 Raptors, and I've seen a few other Ranger Raptors rocking it. I really do like the whole exhaust note after you add that on there. So stay tuned for that one. And then I think to finalize everything, we're gonna be installing some downpipe. So if you want to keep up to date with all of that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. It sends you a notification whenever I'm posting more content out there. Jump into that comment section, let me know what you guys think, or if you have any insight on what I should do with my Ranger Raptor. Like the video, share the video, all of those things are always really appreciated. My name's Will, this is the Wimmy YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.